Hello friends, welcome to the second lecture of anatomy, which includes the bone types. It's very easy. We have 5 types of bones in the skeleton: long bone, flat bone, irregular bone, sesamoid bone, and short bone. Basically, the bone shape is related to its function. For example, flat bones. If we talk about these flat bones, these all are the protectors of the internal organs. And the long bones, like the humerus or the femur, absorb stress and support the body weight. So first, let's talk about the flat bones. As I told you, flat bones protect the internal organs, such as brain is protected through cranial bones, heart, and lungs. It contains 4 types of bones. The cranial group of the cranial bones, which protect the brain, the scapula, which will be appended to the upper limb, the sternum, which is present in the middle of the chest cavity, and which is articulated with the ribs, costal cartilages. And last ones are ribs, which protect the heart and the lungs. So the next type is long bones. Long bones support the weight of the body and facilitate movement. Those are the humerus, present in the upper limb, the radius and ulna, they are present on the forearm, the femur, present in the lower limb, the tibia and fibula, they are also present on the leg, metacarpals and metatarsals. These are the metacarpal bones on hand and metatarsal bones on feet. And last one, phalanges, both as concluded in the hands and in the feet. The next type of bone is short bones. Short bones are cube-shaped components of the wrist and ankle joints. There are only 2 types: carpals, which are present on the wrist joint, and tarsals, which are present on the ankle joint. The next type of bones, which are irregular bones. Irregular bones vary in shape and structure. They don't have any proper structure. Like, for example, the vertebrae, which are of different shapes, and the pelvic bones. They're also having a kind of different shape from each other. The last type of bone is sesamoid bones. Sesamoid bones reinforce tendons, protecting them from stress and wear. The only example of sesamoid bone is patella. So this was all about the 5 types of bone. Hope so you got this. Please let me know any question in comment section. If you liked it, so please share with your friends. Thanks for watching.